With today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at the phrase as easy as pie. If something is as easy as pie, it is a task or experience that is pleasurable, simple, something that you'd like to do. And the first time we see this phrase used is in the United States in the 1910s. And that is when you see in the Saturday Evening Post on February 22nd, 1913, author Zane Grey writes the phrase in the story, The Young Forester. Now, it's likely that as easy as pie, the idiom is an interchangeable phrase with the other idiom, a piece of cake, which was already in common use. But it might have developed from the phrase like eating pie, which was first published in 1886's Sporting Life, or perhaps in 1855's Nicest Pie, which was published in the book Which, Right or Left, also in the United States. Now, as easy as pie is moving across the planet, it actually settles and becomes wildly popular in New Zealand and in Australia around the 1920s, and that's because the Maori have the term pie, which means good.